Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this beautiful eyeshadow single from the brand Nomad Cosmetics, which I have tried out a lot of Nomad Cosmetics eyeshadows before and I am a big fan. So I was really excited to get the America's Parks Teton range shade as part of my December 2022 Kinder Beauty box. So if you haven't seen that unboxing video, I have that up here on my YouTube channel. And I was so tempted to swatch it and try it out in that unboxing video, but I typically don't swatch in my beauty subscription unboxing videos because I have this series here and that's where I do the dedicated in-depth reviews. But so this has a $12 value. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's an intense eyeshadow. So it's supposed to be super pigmented. Oh, and it's a proud supporter of National Park Foundation. So I love that this is inspired by national parks, and it benefits the parks in a charitable way. It says intensely rich eyeshadow in shimmer swirl golden brown shade, formulated with extra fine pigments and infused with jojoba oil for majestic color payoff. Cruelty free and vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. So that sounds awesome. And this just looks so beautiful because it kind of looks like a pink and brown marbled effect with gold glitter shimmer on top. I'm so excited to swatch this. Ooh, it all mixed together into a really beautiful medium tone brown with a foiled metallic finish. Oh, that is so pretty and such a useful shade. I feel like a medium tone brown is a shade that I use in almost every eyeshadow look that I do. And for the fun of it, I am going to test this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I'll just apply this all over one of my eyes so we can see if there's a difference with and without the primer, see if it shows up any more vibrant with it versus without it. And first I'm going to try applying this with a brush, so maybe I can get a little bit more of like a smoked out diffused effect. So picking up a fluffier crease brush, I'm going to put this right into the crease here. It goes on pretty pigmented, but I think I am able to blend and diffuse it out, which is great if I'm trying to get a full eyeshadow look from this one shade so that I can get a few different tones in here. And this is actually a beautiful crease shade. It's giving the eye nice dimension. It's got a little bit of that shimmer still, but it's not looking too shimmery metallic when I blend it out. So it's really nice for this purpose. I just feel like it's the perfect neutral tone brown as well. It's not too cool toned, it's not too warm toned. It really does give beautiful contour to the eye. This is a perfect shade even to just stop right here, just give that little dimension to the eye. You can see what difference it makes. Really does help to enhance the eye. You can even bring it down along the lower lash line a bit. Add some dimension there. Let's see how it is now on the other eye without the primer. Ooh, yeah. I think this is going on just as pigmented and blendable without the primer, which is great to see. Yeah, I love this as just that essential eyeshadow shade for my collection. A great travel shade because I also love when my lower lash line is a little bit more shimmery, like not just a matte brown, but a little shimmery brown. I love that for the lower lash line as well, and this is clearly a perfect contour shade for the eye. This said that you could use it as a highlighter. This is more of a contour than a highlighter, for me at least, and I am fine by that. But now I'm going to go ahead and pick this up with my finger, and I'm hoping to get, oh my gosh, yes, like full opaque foiled effect all over the lid. Let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, yes. It has such a smooth metallic effect. That's what's giving that foiled effect that I'm talking about. It just looks so smooth and so shiny and pigmented. Wow, that is very easy to build up to that full metallic effect. I really just quickly applying it with my finger. Ooh, what a quick and beautiful brown smoky eye that you only need one shade for. Oh, I love a versatile eyeshadow single, and this is absolutely that. Now for the eye without the primer. I feel like I am not seeing any difference with and without the primer, which is great. This is clearly a really nice formula. I'm so glad that this is the shade that I got in my Kinder Beauty box, because it really is the most perfect versatile shade for my collection. I love this shade of brown. I love a metallic finish like this. I love how the eyeshadow look came out. Wow, I keep saying wow because I am very wowed by this. Just the perfect little eyeshadow to put in the travel makeup case. I can't say that I'm familiar with Teton range, but after seeing this beautiful eyeshadow, I would love to go there or see it or know more about it. So hey, if you've ever been to Teton range, let me know in the comments down below how your experience was. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.